Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, Desmond Elliot under attack on social media following statements made at Lagos State House of Assembly. Lagos State House of Assembly member and Speaker Desmond Elliot have come under attack on social media following a video that surfaced of some of the statements he made regarding EndSARS and looting in Lagos.
Mr. Speaker, we need to address certain things. The Nigerian youth, the social media, the social influencers, all of these are making the narrative that we are seeing today, except we are joking with ourselves. Social media, yes, though good, has its negative impact. Let me first thank you for condemning the wanton killings and carnage that happened at Lekki. When I went through the comments, I could not believe it, Mr. Speaker. The curses, the abuses from children. And I ask myself, is this Nigeria? What is going on? Children cursing, people having the effrontery to enter an Oba's palace, hold the staff of office. Culture is gone. Mr. Speaker, in the next 5 years, there will be no Nigeria if we don't start now. The youth is not only those who do the peaceful protest. Those who have looted, who have destroyed lives, they are youths as well. Mr. Speaker, pregnant women went into malls, picked things and went away. They are youths as well. Mr. Speaker, pregnant women went into malls, picked things and went away. When shall we change this narrative? I put it to all the celebrities out there, all the motivational speakers. This is the only country we have. The wealthy will go. When anything happens, what is our common saying? We die here. Please, celebrities, please, social media influencers, stop the hatred already. You have a means constitutionally to change government. It's called your P.
Meanwhile, after attack on social media, Desmond Elliot later returned to clear the air on what he said during the plenary, especially in line with government control of social media, stating that the state does not have the jurisdiction to do so.
All right, good evening. My name is Desmond Elliot. I just came out of a sitting. You want me to also introduce you? Okay, my colleague is here, Honorable Afini. We just came out of plenary sitting right now at the House of Assembly. And before it finished, Dr. Olufumilayo now tweeted saying the Lagos State House of Assembly is developing a bill to regulate and control speech on social media. Desmond Elliot is said to be one of those pushing this. So the plan is to deny the Lekki massacre and then start arresting anyone. Please, I beg us, I beg everyone, this is not true. It's totally unfounded. It's Dr. Olufumilayo, why don't you even verify? Aren't we going through a lot already? It's not true. Period. No state house of assembly, no state house, not one, has the jurisdiction to even deliberate on to pass anything, bill or anything. It's not possible. It simply lies on the exclusive list. It's from the federal level. You can't. It simply lies on the exclusive list. It's from the federal level. You can't. Every member has a right to say something, but yes, you can't. And the only thing I said towards social media was to the celebrities and social influencers, motivational speakers. I said, listen, we have followers. You have followers. Please, can we cut down on the hate narrative? Everyone is going through so much right now.
What do you think about the statements made by Desmond Elliot? Let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.